If you are looking for the best cordless fans, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers, and customer feedback. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have DeWalt Job Site Cordless Fan. Our top pick of cordless fan is the DeWalt 11-inch cordless job site fan, which could be considered the little fan that could. This is because of a wide variety of cool, useful features perfect for the building site, lumberyard and mechanics when the heat arises. It has a powerful battery that can run for up to 36 hours on its lowest setting, and the multiple hanging options give you the chance to hang it anywhere you like. The LED battery level indicators are more durable than you would typically expect, and when the battery runs down, the included charger pack means you don't need to throw the whole thing out. It's lightweight but sturdy, but if you want to ensure long life and prevent accidents, you can use the carry case that comes with no moves to move from side to side. Unlike larger traditional and corded fans, you won't hear it running, so if you want to take it home and put it by the side, you will get to sleep cool and with no disturbances. The cordless options make it great for portability, but if you need to charge the battery, there is also a chance to use AC power to keep you cool throughout the day. You can only do this if you don't have the battery plugged in, which if you are changing it, you shouldn't have anyway. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Milwaukee M18 Job Site Cordless Fans. A tough and robust battery-powered fan that will last you throughout many job sites and even more jobs, the Milwaukee M18 Job Site Fan is no-nonsense, powerful and effective. Its durable construction makes it perfect for hazardous environments, and it can more than handle being knocked, dropped and toppled without suffering aesthetic or operational damage. The battery is reliable, giving up you 8 hours of power every day, either at home or at work, with charging in between, of course. Despite its durability and damage resistance, it's also easy to carry and easy to handle. While still disturbing an excellent amount of air, you will still feel free from 25 feet away. The 3-speed options make it versatile for a variety of situations, and it can run for as long as 10 hours on its lowest setting. For small tight spaces and keeping one person cool throughout the day, this fan is one of the best ones you can choose, and it will keep you focused on your work and instead of wishing you could climb into the ever more inviting freezer. Despite being one of our most expensive picks, it is more than worth it for anyone who lives in parts of the world with a distinct lack of season. This powerful little machine will keep you cool and happy throughout the year, and although we wish the power cord was easier to store within the unit when you are not using it, it's not too much of an issue as long as you remember where you would keep it. The number 3 position is held by Ryobi 18-volt hybrid cordless fans. If you are looking for a worksite fan that provides power, reliability, and durability while also offering excellent value, the Ryobi 18-volt hybrid shelf fan is an excellent option to consider. The hybrid design means it can work as both as a corded and cordless fan, and when using it cordless, which is why you are here, you will find it easy to hang wherever you like around the area. You can do this with built-in hanging hooks or use the screw mounting holes for easy placement anywhere you like. If you don't need to hang it, it sits comfortably on your desk, shelf or filing cabinet, and the darling head allows you to direct the airflow wherever you need. For hot, suffocating days trapped indoors, the variable speed options are a perfect relief, and if it goes too chilly, you can turn it down a notch or two for better comfort. It's not just a worksite fan though, and the Ryobi is an excellent companion on camping trips or in an emergency, like when the power goes out in the middle of a heat wave or following disaster. The battery charger pack doesn't come included, but it's compatible with other Ryobi products, so if you have already got a lot of its tools, you won't have an issue when the battery runs down. While it doesn't offer as long as of run times as the DeWalt, lasting 8 hours on the lowest speed setting, it's still great for keeping you cool throughout the workday. Just be sure to charge it overnight if you want that comfort to continue. Next at number 4, we have Makita 18-volt job site cordless fan. The Makita 18-volt cordless job site fan is a slimline and convenient options you can rely on. Its durable design is enhanced with protective bumpers around at-risk areas to keep it safe should it be fall or knocked over, which is always possible when working at construction site and in similar environments. At just £5, you will get a massively portable fan to take with you to the building site, on road trips and back home to keep you cool as you enjoy the summer in your yard. And the large carry handle makes it easy to pick up whenever you need to. The adjustable platform gives you a range of position to try out until you find the perfect one for you, which makes it easy to adjust wherever you want to place the fan. It also comes with two speed settings, 1700 RPM and 1200 RPM, so you will never be too hot or too cold. However, it's been said the high speed setting creates too much noise because of the old motor tech. If you are not too concerned about this noise and need a fan to get you to sleep, but don't with the battery, this 3-stage automatic timer is an excellent way to drift off comfortably without draining the battery. This timer works in intervals of 1 hour, 2 hours and 4 hours, even though the maximum battery life seems to top out at around 3 hours on the lowest setting. While it's a decent enough fan, it probably isn't reliable enough to use throughout the day, but would be excellent in emergency situations. The number 5 position is held by Arctic Calf 18-volt speed fan and water mister. If you want a combination of both cool air and misting water to stay comfortable this summer, the Arctic Calf 18-volt speed fan with water mister is the only choice. Perfect for giving you a respite from intensive work and projects, the misting feature keeps you refreshed, while you can set the fan speed to counter the heat to suit the temperature. Designed to attach the rim of a 5-gallon bucket, it feeds the water into the fan. But if you don't have a bucket on hand, the water hose attachment is just as effective and may even be easier if you are relaxing in the garden with a beer as the kids splash around in the pool. The design protects the battery pack in the rear, so there is no danger of electrical damage, keeping everything secure. As a bonus, it's compatible with Ryobi One Plus batteries, so if you already got Ryobi tools lying around the house, which is dangerous, so put them away somewhere safe. You never have to worry about being without power gain. On mist mode, it has a maximum runtime of 2 hours, which is just the right amount of battery power to keep you cool watching soccer or baseball games or relaxing on the porch at the end of the day. The battery is rechargeable, and with its multi-brand compatibility, you can always have it on hand to keep you relaxed if things go to overtime. However, it's not as durable as other products, so if you're working in high-risk areas, it may not survive the week. For chilled, casual use a few times a week, you are getting a product that will introduce you to a new level of fan luxury. The number 6 position is dominated by Redgate 18-volt hybrid corded and cordless fan. The problem with a battery fan is that it can sometimes be a little on the noisy side if you are still searching for the right fan for you that won't disturb you at the work or through the night. The Redgate 18-volt hybrid corded and cordless fan is the one for you. Its covered air technology makes operation as silent as it can be, so much so you might forget it's on until you realize how cool and refreshed you feel. This silence also helps contribute to battery life, running up to 45 hours on the lowest setting. For clarity, this means you can work for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week on a single charge and still have some juice left over when you get back in on Monday morning, which is the perfect way to get ready for the week's projects. It delivers a maximum airflow of 475 CFM and provides excellent air velocity to keep you as cool as you like. If the maximum setting is a little too much, you can adjust the variable speed settings until you find a setting that's just right. The 240-degree head rotation makes it easy to change if you're moving from one place to another but doesn't feel like picking the fan and taking it with you. But if you did, the integrated rubber handle is comfortable and has a micro grip texture for the support. The durable cage keeps it protected from accidental knocks and drops, but the construction and design are so reliable and of such high quality, you would expect it to survive this anyway. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Makita 12-volt CXT cordless fan. Ending on what we believe is the highest of highs, our final pick for the best cordless fan is also a premium choice, giving you a little luxury to consider before you leave us. The Makita 12-volt CXT cordless fan offers 3 versatile speed settings on a 4.0 ampere-per-hour batteries that provide excellent, perhaps unrivaled air velocity control. Even in the highest setting, it is designed to reduce the noise level so you can work in peace without distractions and actually hear yourself think. You can attach it to the wall, hang it from a frame, or set it proudly next to a workstation to keep you cool during intensive, exhausting jobs, and the tilting mechanism is convenient for angling wherever you need. If you need to move from place to place throughout the day, the compact design is a blessing and the hanging hook acts as a carry handle so you don't need to try balancing multiple items in your arms at once, which we know is likely to end in a crash, a bang, and the whole side starting smug and confused in your direction. The battery is long-lasting and powerful, giving you 10.5 hours of runtime on the lowest setting and 4.5 hours on high. If you need a comfortable in-between setting, the middle speed gives you over 6 hours of comfort, which is more than enough for a full day's work. As a premium pick, it's the most expensive option we have selected, but with this extra cost comes quality and reliability that's ideal for work sites, offices, stores, and home use to keep everyone cool and comfortable. The number 8 position is held by Geek Air Rechargeable Floor Fan. The Geek Air Rechargeable Floor Fan is a durable, powerful, and versatile model that will serve you well for years on end. This 16-inch model is driven by a 15 Ah lithium-ion battery, which takes only 3 hours to fully charge but lasts up to 18 hours in runtime. That's a full day of cool air. With variable speed settings, a max airflow of 2500 CFM, and a 120-degree oscillating feature, it is uniquely powerful and extremely adaptable. Designed with durability as a top priority, it features an IPX4 water-resistant structure that protects it from inclement weather, such as sudden showers during outdoor work or camping. It also supports a strong metal frame and anti-slip rubber feet, which helps it withstand the volatility of busy job sites. For all its strength, the Geek Air still remains surprisingly light, clocking it at only 12 pounds. You won't have a single problem with transportation. If you didn't need any other reason to add this to your cart, it also comes with an LED battery indicator and a portable power bank, so you can charge your digital devices on the go. With all these advantages, it's hard to find a single drawback. This is certainly one of the best cordless fans available on the market today. Next at number 9, we have Verk WX095L cordless fan. This model is lightweight enough for easy portability while remaining powerful enough to cool down any workspace. It features 2 speed levels, low plus high, which offers airflow of 310 CFM and 450 CFM respectively. It also has a 360-degree oscillation feature, so you will be able to blast cool air in any direction. This fan works on flat surfaces like floors and desks, but also features a convenient hanging hook for wall mounting in case you don't have extra space. Its 20-volt 2.0 Ah battery has an average runtime of around 4 hours, but only requires 1.5 hours of charge to replenish its full power. Better yet, you can share the battery with any other Works tool you may have. Despite its surprisingly light weight of 5 pounds, the Works durable metal frame makes it both fall and shock resistant. There are very few drawbacks to this model, making it one of the best battery fans you can find. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Craftsman cordless fan. Available in a delightfully vibrant red color, this model is sure to cool down rooms and turn heads. Capable of moving air up to at 650 CFM and featuring 3 different speed settings, you will be able to adapt its power level to whatever environment you happen to be in. It also features a 240-degree pivoting head, which allows you to direct airflow where needed. The Craftsman has the longest runtime of all the fans on our list, capable of up to 8 hours on its highest setting and over 24 hours on its lowest. Weighing in at mere 4.4 pounds, you won't have a single issue transporting it from point A to point B. With its versatility, portability, and unmatched runtime, this is one of the best battery-operated fans we have seen yet. That's all for today. We upload product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.